getting in empty-handed, man. This is so funny. Is it playing?
Yeah.
It's just Sean, man. He caught a seagull over here. He seriously caught a seagull. That thing is just thrashing in the water. Sean's like, I ain't going away empty-handed. I'm catching something.
Oh my gosh. It's gonna be dead by the time it gets over.
Dude, I'm picking this thing up when he gets it in here.
I hope so. I don't want to touch it. It's gonna be madder than a dog.
Oh man, that is so cool, dude. I cannot believe
Oh,
you
I feel it fighting, man. It's fighting.
Whoa!
Man,
I can't believe you caught it.
look at all these seagulls around.
Look at we caught.
Dumb bird.
Look at this, man. Sean is just reeling this thing in, man. His pole is like bent over. This is so cool. I can't believe he caught a seagull.
It's a better fight than a walleye.
I bet. Oh man, that
If I can
thing.
get the hook out of him.
This thing is
Don't
mad.
biting me.
I gotta pick this thing up, man.
Grab it by the neck so it don't bite you.
That would be awesome.
Wow.
I cannot believe this happened.
Seagull caught on your boat.
He will be the only one to catch a seagull, dude.
Unbelievable.
Look at this thing. It is mad.
Come here, I'm gonna help you.
Hi, little guy. Oh, that thing's mad, dude. Oh, dude, this is so That is neat, dude. Look at this, man. Can you get it off?